I'm back with some more animation for you, and this time we're gonna draw a frog. For that you need a piece of paper, also you need a pencil. So first we're gonna draw on the inside of the paper. We're gonna draw the frog with a pencil first, then color it. So I'm just gonna fill the color in, and then I'm gonna outline. So pink for the tongue, green for the frog, yellow for the bee. Make sure you use a darker marker or a pen to outline your object. It is then easier for you to trace on the outside. And now I'm going to trace my frog on the outside. A light source always helps, and you can then trace and make your second action. So now we have the frog, and the next action is that the frog has eaten the bug, and we're just gonna fill the color in and quickly show you how it's done. So I'm gonna show you something that I've already made. Here we also have a flower, and now you can see. This is what we made, and you can obviously add more objects, more drawings, more elements to make your scene even better. And here you can see the frog is enjoying the bee. Cool, na?